The Wonder Yard greets the dawn with a spectacle of pure light. The Wondergate pulses, colors swirling in a rhythmic dance that defies logic. William stands before the arch, his breath visible in the cool morning air. Beside him, Chewy stands rigid, tail held high like a sentinel, while Bubbles watches in uncharacteristic silence. A low, melodic hum vibrates through the ground, a song of ancient power. Slowly, the frame unfolds like a blooming flower, revealing a corridor constructed of starlight, flowing ripples, and soft, glowing mist. The journey into the unknown begins now. William steps forward, his boots crunching on a path made of memories. Chewy trots ahead, his paws leaving glowing imprints on the stardust, and Bubbles flutters close behind. They enter the Heart Realm, a shimmering chamber where the walls echo with every lesson they have ever learned. At the very center, a massive floating emblem displays their own silhouettes, a mirror to their growth. A voice resonates from the blinding light, tasking them with a final challenge. It is time to unite their wisdom or be lost to the mist forever. A massive stone tablet rises from the floor, etched with 25 intricate symbols. William moves with precision, lighting stars with his imagination and aligning ripples through cause and effect. He solves the leaf riddle with a sharp mind, while Chewy shoves heavy stone pieces into place, his muscles straining under the weight of the ancient rock. Bubbles darts through the air like a golden spark, pecking rhythm beats and sparking color swirls to activate the sequence. Despite their frantic efforts, the tablet remains dark and cold. William spots a final, empty slot shaped like a heart. He understands now. It is not just about skill, it is about connection. He places his palm against the cold stone. Chewy presses a sturdy paw firmly beside it, and Bubbles rests a soft feather against the surface. The tablet erupts. A blinding flash of brilliance consumes the room as the entire realm transforms into a singular, radiant beam of energy. The Wondergate speaks, its voice echoing in their very souls. You are the magic. The heart symbol detaches from the stone and floats gently into William's open backpack. Pulsing with a soft, steady rhythm of life, they have done it. The bond is sealed. The trio finds themselves back in the quiet backyard. The gate stands still, now carved with the words, Season 1 complete. Chewy sits on the grass, his chest heaving, while Bubbles lets out a sharp, triumphant cluck. William unzips his bag, revealing the heart symbol resting safely inside. He taps the fabric, watching a new, blank circle appear on the surface. The Wondergate isn't done, he whispers, closing the bag with a smile. It is just resting. The yard falls silent under the golden sun, waiting for the next dawn.